Hi, Deirdre here, just going to show you how to use OneDrive. So again, just to get into OneDrive, you log into your college email and then up here you click on the 9 little dots there and you go to OneDrive. So that's where your OneDrive is. So I've selected that and I'm down now in a folder. Okay, so imagine you've got some documents here. So if I open the document here, I could select the document here and I've two options. I actually can edit that document in the browser. So I'm not using the software that's installed on my machine, and I could edit in the browser. If I do that, only half of the features are available in the browser mode. So if I use the software that's on my machine, I get the full access to the document. So when I click on that there, if I click on open, do you see I've got a Word document selected here, so that's why the Word is up here, and I can choose open it in the browser, which is that sort of scaled back cloud version, or open in app, which is installed in your machine. Okay, so let's imagine I just clicked on it. So if you just click on it, it opens it in the browser. So we'll just take a look at that. So here's the browser view, and you can see there isn't as many options for you in here, but if you wanted to change it and move over into desktop app, then up here where it says editing, click on the little drop down and say open in desktop app. Now what we're doing by doing that, we're not downloading it, we're not taking a separate copy of it, we're actually accessing the OneDrive folder but using our own software on our machine, but the file itself is still saved in the cloud. If you download it, you're now making two copies, you now have a second copy, whereas by doing it this way means you've only one copy and that copy is located in the cloud. So I'm going to click on that and then yeah, there's some sort of problem with this, or, oh no, it's coming up now. Okay, and so we're accessing it now in the desktop version, and this is the version that you would have studied in college. And then to save it, you just go file and it automatically will save, but the location of it, so for example, if I click on save a copy, you can see it's pointing at my OneDrive, it's saving to my OneDrive, and that's your OneDrive here. So within the college, if you want to save it to your OneDrive, you click in here. So let me just open up a new blank document. I'm going to create a new blank document, and I'm just going to type in report. And now I want to save this into my OneDrive. So I click on file, save as, and up here I choose my OneDrive, I click on that, and then I choose within my OneDrive, I can create folders, and I can just put it down into a different folder, and I can put in report, and I'll just call it report test. Okay, spelt correctly, and click on save. Okay, and I'm going to close this now. And I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go back to, I'm going to come out of there. I'm going to go back to my OneDrive. I'm just taking a few seconds. A to Z. And there's report. You can see the little starry sign, that means it's a new file, so you can see it's up in my OneDrive. Okay, that's the basics.